Is your 8th generation Honda Civic key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery, reprogramming errors, or immobilizer synchronization problems. First, replace the CR2032 battery in the fob, ensuring correct orientation. A fresh battery typically lasts 2 to 4 years. Next, try reprogramming the fob by cycling the ignition key, insert, turn to on, remove 5 to 10 times while pressing a button on the fob. This resyncs the fob's ID with the car's body control module, BCM. If the engine won't crank, suspect an immobilizer sync issue, possibly due to a jump start or electrical problem. Remember, jump starting can corrupt the sync, so disconnect the battery first. DIY fixes have a 70 to 80% success rate, but persistent issues may indicate deeper problems like BCM failure or interference from aftermarket devices. If basic steps fail, the issue might be with the immobilizer or the vehicle's ECU. Dealership ECU resets can cost around $200, while BCM replacements can reach $500. Aftermarket alarm systems can also interfere with the key fob signal. Always use OEM parts to avoid compatibility issues. Universal remotes are a growing trend, but pose security risks. Honda released OTA software updates for some 2020-2021 models to address fob reprogramming, but older models require manual fixes or dealer intervention. Looking ahead, expect more digital integration with smartphone apps for keyless entry via Bluetooth and NFC, as seen in newer Civics. By 2030, UWB technology will likely improve fob tracking and reduce reprogramming needs. If you suspect an issue, get it checked out.